I bought this electrical fan from a local shop. It is like actually very cheap. It's South African rand, it's 129 rand, American dollar, about 8 American dollar. Real made in China thing. Let's open it and see what's going on here. Okay, here is the grids. Let's put it here. Here's the instruction set. Here's the fan blades. It's alright. Okay, here's the motor. Open it. Put them on here. This is one problem we have in South Africa. When you get something, you get this kind of plug. This is the worst thing they can ever put on something, because you immediately cut it off and put an old plug on. This is like, we don't like this. They don't make nice contact. We need a adapter always that you can't find to make use of it. Okay, here's like the settings. There's 0, setting 1, 2, 3. I don't know what is that. We'll check. Looks like a light or something in here. There's the adjustment. Relatively, here's the swing part. Okay, let's put it together. Here's the legs of the stand, part of the stand. And do it, you can extend it, close it. Relatively thin metal. Here is the legs. It fits like this together, I guess. Yeah, relatively flimsy, but let's see. What else in here is the part of the fan, hold the fan. Here's the cover for the bottom. The box is empty, so that's what is in here. This is the end covers for the stand. Put there. Okay, what is this? It's more of this. Why so many of them? I think they put one extra packet in here. Let's see. Okay, we're going to start. Let's see, we have to undo the screws here and then connect this on there. We can then connect this on here. Let me just get a screwdriver. Okay, let's connect the screws here. Okay, now we're going to plug in this stuff. Here's the stand. This is a bit flimsy. You have to bend them a little bit before you plug it in. Yo. It doesn't look too good. Okay, now this little thing is bent, and I'm just gonna get a pliers and fix that quickly. So now I just have to fix this problem. Let's put this thing. See, next time I'm just gonna put some glue gun or something and fix it properly. This is a real cheap and nasty, these things. Okay, there they are. As I say, there's 4 extra feet that I put in here by mistake. Let's put it in the box. And then this cover comes over there. Yes, you undo the sticker first. Put it over there. Put it in. Okay, now we must put this in here. Like this. Yeah, there's another issue. Now this thing, the screw is running around here. Let's check if you can see. If you turn this, it doesn't work well. So obviously you'll have to just put it in skew, I think. No, you can't even do that. So here's the issue. Let's just check this bolt and nut. Doesn't work so like. There's another issue. Maybe that's why they're so cheap. It's because all the small things, it doesn't work so like. I'll have to go fix this quickly. So, I had to replace this. I found another bolt and nut. This is real bad. This is like bad manufacturing, real China stuff. I found a nice new one, yeah. It's a new one. I'm gonna put it in here. That's it. It looks better. I hope this will fit in here. How's it? Okay, now we can put this try again. That's it. Okay, now we're gonna put in this back part here. Let's just see if you can see there. I just adjust this thing a little bit, yeah. Let's put this over here. We undo this and we put this in there. Always make sure the handle is on top there. That's it, like this. Now we're going to put the fan in. There's a pin there. There's a pin slide in there. That's it. Then we're going to fasten this anti-clockwise. Okay, now the piece of plastic over here. And then there's how do you fasten this? Oh yeah, here's the things here. And lift all these clips here. Clip there. But they're not, see, they're very stiff and they painted the stuff. So you have to make a plan. This is maybe why this thing, you hook it in there. Make sure your fusion is correct. Press this down. That's it. And do here, and you can lift it here. Lift it there. Okay, now we can plug it in. So let's see if it's. Okay, see, there's a light. Wonder why is that for? As I said, you can see small lights. The first time I see a But maybe for in night time you can see where the connections is. It looks fine. I think I must go buy another one. And if you lift this clip here, very steady, you can push it around as you want. And third, I think I like it, it's not so bad. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. I'll give you another video if the thing stopped working, then you'll find the fault to see maybe what was wrong. But at least for now it's working. Thank you so much, till next time. Cheers.